Hey there, this is Tia, and this video is about how we can see our Snapchat history. As you can see on your screen, who sent you snap, on what time, and so on. Open Snapchat, go to your profile section, tap on this gear icon to open settings. Now scroll down until you see My Data. Tap on it. Here you will find all your data. Scroll down to download your Snapchat history. Tap on Submit Request. Now you will get the email in few minutes. So I got the email in 2 minutes. Tap on click here to download your Snapchat history. Here log into your Snapchat account. Yeah, this is the same page, but this time you can download your data. Tap on My Data link to download. Extract the zip and open the folder. Here open HTML folder. Open any file to see your data. So here's the Snapchat history and all your data. Who sent you snap, timestamp, and so on. Like and subscribe for more such videos, and I will catch you in the next one.